Welcome back, lads and lasses, to another game called Heavy Rain from Quantic Dream. Ignore continue. It booted up already going into the game. As you can see, it's the prologue. So, not wasting any time, let's get straight into it. I want to see what this game has to offer. So let's fucking go. Also, I have to disable all music, because I'm fed up with copyright claims on the videos. So, the music you're going to hear is going to be completely different from the actual game. So, be prepared for that. I have to put it in myself. Before I do that, there we go. And let's go! See, for me there's no sound here when I know there is sound. Saturday, 11:30. Dude had a fucking nice room. It's beautiful. Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. Get your ass out of bed. I say that to myself every fucking day. Does it work? No. To interact, hold left click and move the mouse to indicate action. Okay? Whatever you say. I feel like I'm going to hate that quick time. Yeah, get your ass out of bed, my dude. Your room is very empty. Looks empty. Okay, there's all your wardrobe stuff. Where the hell is your TV? Something there on the floor? Go that later, I suppose. Get dressed first. It can wait. Let some fresh air in, because I'm sure you stank up the room. What the hell is this? Okay, these quick times are going to annoy me already, because I don't know what it wants me to do here. Fuck's sake. Right click. No. Left click down. Left click round. Oh my god, dude. Are you serious? Okay, I'll go to you in a minute. Let's look at this thing. Why is it fucking left shift, right shift, keybinds or whatever? Jesus Christ. Okay, let's pick up this thing because it won't let me fucking...
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Love you too, I suppose. Grace. Can we go outside in our boxers? Oh, I forgot you had more to your house. At any time, you can listen to what your character thinks by pressing and holding down the right click. Okay. Shower.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Are you sure you want to? Okay, so shower first then. Getting dressed will have been a big mistake. Where the fuck is your shower? This looks like a shower room. Ah, that it is. Alright, brush your teeth, you filthy cow. Brush your teeth, you filthy rascal. Really? You can't brush your own fucking teeth? Not the fucking baby you? Good lord, dude, you can do it yourself! My mouse is visible on screen. Of course it fucking is. Pain in the hole. Alright. What does that mean? Oh, it's that yoke. I thought it was the toothbrushes. Really? Do it yourself, you lazy cunt. I don't want to be babying you throughout the entire game. Jesus Christ. Oh, right. Go look at yourself then. Yeah, whatever. Shower time! Over here, right? Turn your head to see which action is available. Ah. Interesting. But there's no action over here. Oh my god, dude, where are you going? Just take your goddamn shower and let's go! I don't even know if there's any fucking music! Nice ass! Hopefully I don't have to censor that. Just don't turn around or anything. Oh my god, had to fucking baby it all the way through. You can't even dry yourself. Ugh. It's just such a task. This is probably like a tutorial or whatever. Probably won't even let do all this moving forward. Okay, so what now? Anything else in here we can interact with that you have to do? No? Okay, here we go then. Go get dressed. Left control to switch camera angles. Right, well I don't think I need to. Alright, now, are you going... Get dressed now? Dude, I swear. Shift. Dude, I am going to fucking murder. Right. Fine, don't get dressed. See you later. Go to your bird. Hey, birdie. Don't you look beautiful? Alright, so what are my objectives? Right click. Awake.
Nothing like a refreshing shower. I almost feel awake.
Whatever you say, my dude.
I'm as clean as a whistle. Time to get dressed.
So I have to go get dressed then. Okay, you better behave yourself and get dressed. Alright? Left click, no, space. Dude, I swear. Dude, you're at your wardrobe. Get dressed. What am I missing here? Controls. I need help. What's this? Hold left click and perform the indicated movement with the mouse. Hold left click and unfold the movement slowly with the mouse. I am doing the movement. Now you want to work? Really? What was I doing wrong? Fucking nothing. You're just trying to annoy me already. I don't want to be giving out this game throughout the entire game, but if it's going to do shit like that, I'm going to be giving out to it all day. I was doing exactly what I wanted to do, and I said no. Alright, what next? Work.
I've got some time before Grace and the kids get back. Better get some work done.
Okay. Do you work from home? Whoops. Is that what you do? You work from home? Not having music is starting to annoy me. Oh no. What? Okay. Quick time. Interesting. Let's try it again. It's just S. Okay. W. Oh fuck, you're changing on me. Shite. Okay, so those are some quick times I have something to look forward to. That's not fun. And they're quick. They're very quick. Alright, fucking put them back down. That's enough practice. Okay, what else are we looking at? Nothing else? Is this where you work? Is it a child's room? Looks like it. What work are we supposed to be doing exactly? Oh, there's downstairs. Of course they have it downstairs. Oh. Dude, was there a birthday party at some point? The character's thoughts change with situation. Remember to check them regularly.
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time.
Is that important? Do I have to squeeze in garden time? Do I have to tie up the kitchen? What work? Ah, this one again. Dude, I swear. So maybe I was doing it too fast then, was it? I never shake the orange juice. It doesn't taste any different to me. Dude, are you seriously drinking from the goddamn... You filthy cunt! Oh, it's his birthday today. Why would you drink from the carton, you... Oh... Oh, so you take a cup out for your coffee, but you drink it out of the carton? Are you sure you don't want to pick up the entire fucking thing and drink out of it straight? You dirty bastard. Good lord, and you drank that down straight. It's not that piping hot. Oh, look, people. Really? To hold it down? Yo, we're in a cul-de-sac, I believe, in the States. Okay, stop looking at those children. I'm assuming the children are small. Already nibbling at the party food, are you? First you drink out of the carton and you sneak some food. Alright, sneaking food is fine, but drinking out of the carton, that's not fine. That's going to annoy me for a little while now. You dirty little... No, I can't. Don't want to pick that up. So, what work are you referring to, by the way? Ah! This is how we get outside. You said you wanted to... Oh, hang on. Ah, yes. I forgot about the right-clicking. Do that in a minute. You want to do some garden work. I'll allow you to do what you want. Then we'll listen to your thoughts, since there's no music. I'm gonna have to look up someone's game and add in some custom music throughout the entire thing. That's going to be annoying. Whatever. Dude. Alright, didn't you want to do some garden work? The garden is fucking huge! Can you move faster, please? I'm already regretting going outside for this garden work, shite. Fine.
It's almost lunchtime. Grace and the kids will be back any minute.
Will they now? And they'll see you out here like an idiot.
How about some music?
I don't fucking know.
I hope Grace found a present for Jason's birthday. Maybe there's something on TV. I could just relax on the couch until Grace and the kids come back.
Okay, so those quick times advanced the story. Gee, I did no garden work.
Dad!
Hey,
Hello everybody, welcome home.
So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
No.
10 years old, that's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Drive the car.
Ethan, can you please help me?
Help your
I'm
wife,
coming.
Ethan. Take everything off her. That a boy. Although you should have been outside already, helping her straight away. So if I let go of left click and right click, would I have dropped everything?
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
Technically, no. Oh, yeah, work.
Not really. I tried, but I didn't really nail it. I hope I get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the client next month.
I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
Thanks for telling me where I'm supposed to go.
No problem, leave it to me.
Living room cupboard. Living room? Where's your living room, by the way? Oh, hello. Oh, this is the cupboard.
That door's always sticking. Give it a big tug.
You say so. There we go. Why are your plates in the sitting room?
That's the set my mother gave us. Be careful, okay?
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Am I gonna break something? No? Dude, why don't you just walk around the table and put them down? It's not that difficult, you know? Oh, so you put them in some weird places too. Honey, I did my job like a useless cunts. Oh, hello. Yes, honey, I'm completely distracted.
I thought you brought that for the kids.
Doesn't
Of
mean
course,
I can't
I'm
play
just
with
checking
it.
that it still works.
Yeah, sure.
Just because I bought it for the kids doesn't mean I can't play with it too. Hey kids, what's up? Having fun out here?
That's it, I'm free as a bird.
No, I'm not.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Sorry, honey. Was there something
wants
else
to
you
go
want me to do?
No, me first.
Easy, fellas, you can both have a turn.
Oh, you're making me choose?
Me first. No, me first.
I'll go clockwise. As cruel as it is, I'll go fucking clockwise.
All right, Jason, let's do the helicopter.
Uh-oh. Can I drop him? Oh. I'm still doing it. Okay. All right. Order child, let's go.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Yes, it is. It is your turn. Very good. And you get
Okay,
the
Sean,
piggyback.
get ready. Here we go.
Oh, can I drop them? Where are we going exactly? Oh, I thought it was balancing them, but apparently not. I thought the mouse thing was to keep him from falling. Alright, get the fuck down, you heavy cunts.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Do I have to do both of these at the same
Careful,
time?
Hang on.
You and your big muscles, let's go! Big and strong! Now drop them! Big strong man! Oh great, what now?
This time you're done for.
This
You're gonna
time?
pay for all your crimes, evil one.
Ha! Surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Oh, smack it across the head. Hold left click to make indicated movements. Alright.
Come on, Jason. Hoya!
Give up. I am victorious.
Watch out.
I'm concentrating.
Wow.
I want to whip my kid's ass.
Attack, attack. Whoa.
And they're getting faster too, so.
Pay for that.
Oh, will I now?
Come on.
Oh, shit. You shan't hit me at the very least.
Watch out.
You shall not win.
Yeah.
I will not let you win.
No.
Oh, almost fucked up that one.
My life. Scum.
Food's ready, kids. You coming in?
Yeah, we're coming. I'm a big kid too. You guys sat down very quickly.
Sean? Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
Oh, great. I have to go get him. Where is he? Where did the little shit go? Upstairs? Oh.
Why isn't Sean at the table? He should be around here somewhere.
Yeah, I mean, he was just there a second ago. Little shit. Oh, Sean! Where the fuck did you go, you little shit? Your mom said dinner was ready. Don't make me... Oh, there you are. Beat your ass. What's up?
Sean?
Oh, you're having an
What's
emotional
up?
time?
It's Merlin. He's dead.
How is he dead?
Dead, and it's all my fault.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
Why? What happened?
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean, there's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
Interrogate the
I
child.
know.
What the fuck happened in those 10 seconds?
I know.
What happened? What happened in those 10 seconds? He went upstairs and what? Snapped his neck? Ah, music. Alright. I have no music. Ah, this all sounds stupid without any music.
Oh, I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
There's no other sounds, just talking. That's all I hear. It's not fair. Hey, we finally have some sound.
Jason! Jason!
Stop walking away, you little shit. Where's my control? Jason!
Jason!
The fuck you going?
Jason! Jason!
What? Don't just stand there. Run up to him. For fuck's sake.
Jason!
Jason, I swear to fucking God, where are you going?
Jason, you really shouldn't run her off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
Hey, champ. What's your name?
Jason,
Little
Which
shit.
balloon would you like, Jason?
the
Blue.
red one.
Here you go.
How much is it going to cost me?
sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
How am I supposed to know where my wallet is? Dude, do it yourself automatically. Fucking Jason, where are you going, you shit? I can't walk away yet.
Keep the change.
Hurry up, will you?
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd.
Yeah,
Jason?
I
Here a
lost him.
second ago, I bought him a balloon, I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him. I'll be right back.
Jason is gone. Oh boy. Ugh. These keyboard keys aren't great for shouting, you know?
Jason!
He's not difficult to find. Just look at the red
Jason!
balloon. He couldn't have gone that far. Ah, fucking keys.
Jason!
Out of the way, lady.
Jason! Jason!
There are so many people. There's no shit.
Jason! Jason!
Move out of the
Jason!
way. Red balloon's gone.
Jason! Jason!
Where am I supposed to walk? Outside?
Jason!
Why would he walk so far away?
Jason! 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 Jason!
Jason, boy.
Jason, God, you really had me scared.
Your son is gone. Look, there's another red balloon. Go, go, go.
Jason!
Watch it!
Oh my
Jason!
god, these key binds are...
Jason!
Is that really him?
Jason! Jason!
Shit. Shit!
Why in the world possess a child to walk away? Oh.
Jason! No! God!
It's okay, right?
Jason! Oh my god, no! No! No, Jason! Oh my god, no!
He's fine.
No! Oh my god. No!
He didn't get hit by the car at all. Okay, that doesn't make any sense at all. First of all, why would the child even walk away in the first place? That's just dumb. Just wandering off like an absolute dipshit. And second of all, you grabbed your son. You got hit. Your son should be fine. Okay, stop. I need some form of music just so I know what's going on. Right? Is that okie dokie? It's a little bit too loud. Much lower. So I don't want to get copyrighted again. That'll do. At least I can hear something. But still, what possessed a child to walk that far away? That's just stupid. And there's no point walking away from the clown either, because the clown would have stopped me from moving in the first place. That would have made a difference. Heavy rain. Okay, so how long is this gonna go on for? Yes, it's raining. Very good.